Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This beautiful crochet pattern includes only basic crochet stitches. Even beginners can do it. Let's start now. You can use any kind of yarn and suitable hook for the yarn. Leave a long tail about 1 meter. Make a knot like that. Then yarn over with the tail. Next, pull the main yarn. Yarn over, then pull the yarn. Repeat like that. It's a better way to make foundation. Until we get suitable quality, it should be multiplied 3 and plus 1. Here I have make 49 pieces. Just make a sample to show the principle. You can adjust the numbers according to your need. Next, chain 5. Yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook into the first stitch from the hook. Pull yarn. Yarn over and pull yarn. Yarn over and pull yarn. Yarn over and pull yarn. That's a treble crochet stitch. Next, chain 2. Skip 2 stitches. Next, make a treble stitch. Repeat like that to the end. That's the first row. Next, chain 4 and turn the work. Now, the second row, on the top of the treble crochet stitch, we make 3 double crochet. Next 3 double crochet. Repeat to the end. That's the second row. Chain 4 and turn the work. Then, the third row. First one, treble crochet stitch into the first stitch of last row. Chain 2. Skip 2 stitches. Make a treble crochet stitch. It's same with the first row. Repeat to the end. That's the third row. Same with the first row. Chain 4 and turn the work. It's the fourth row. Same with the second row. Every 2 rows is a recycle. Repeat to the size you need.